Smart components in SOLIDWORKS are more than just parts. They carry predefined features like cuts, holes, and hardware that automatically apply when you use them. In this 2-minute tech tip, we'll show you how to use smart components from the SOLIDWORKS design library to speed up your workflow, eliminate repetitive modeling, and standardize your design process. It's easy to lose time in the details when building an assembly, from mates to cutouts to fine-tuning placement. Smart Components takes care of that up front. Once placed, the features and predefined mates come along automatically, so you're not spending time redoing the same steps again and again. When you add Smart Components, SOLIDWORKS opens a prompt in the Property Manager to guide you through selecting the references needed to insert the associated features. Those features adapt to your target part, and whether you're working in the assembly or editing a part in context, it fits right into your design. To see that in action, let's walk through a quick example. Let's say you have a sensor bracket that always needs 2 mounting holes and a wiring cutout. Instead of creating those features manually each time, you can turn the sensor bracket into a smart component by associating those features with it. Now, when you drag it into a new design, it applies all the required geometry instantly, perfectly positioned and ready to go. Smart Components makes it easier to automate repetitive tasks and keep things consistent, especially when you're working on a team. They help ensure that features like holes, slots, and mounting hardware are added the same way every time, no matter who's placing the part. You'll also save time revising assemblies, as long as the update feature and component size location when Smart Component moves changes option is enabled. This drives the Smart Component, meaning that the edits made to the Smart Component in the design library will automatically propagate to the assemblies where it's used. No need to individually track down cuts or hardware each time. Smart Components work best for repeatable setup, but when your geometry gets more complicated or changes from project to project, you might need something a bit more flexible. That's where the rest of the design library and Toolbox come in. In the full course, we'll walk through how to set up reusable part templates, manage configurations for different sizes or variations, and create a library that works for the way you design. So next time you reach for a standard part, make it smart. Setting up automation usually feels like more trouble than it's worth, but Smart Components allow you to streamline tasks with built-in automation. They're quick to set up, easy to maintain, and once they're in place, they keep your workflow moving without extra clicks. Be sure to watch our full course on SOLIDWORKS Toolbox and Design Library to learn how to create and manage your own smart components.